Hi foodies, guess what? We're gonna make a summertime icebox eclair cake. Oh my God, this is just something. And you know what? Take a minute and think about it. You don't turn your oven on. You get yourself a nice dish this size, okay? The 9x13, and get yourself 3 of these sleeves of graham crackers, 3 of them. Because what we're going to do is make a filling with this. Here's the graham crackers on the bottom of the pan. And what we're going to do with this is make a filling that's going to be with 3 cups of milk, a couple of the small packages of, you can either use French vanilla, you can use vanilla and add a little extra vanilla, or you can use banana, or you can use whatever flavor you like. And then at the as we build this cake up, we're going to go with our graham crackers on the bottom, and then we're going to go with a layer of our cream, which is based with some whipped topping. So you need an 8-ounce tub of this to go in with your pudding, okay? And we're going to fold that in as we progress. And then on the top, I've got a jar of this chocolate, beautiful chocolate whipped frosting, okay? Or you can make your own frosting chocolate if you like, because this is going to be an eclair refrigerator cake, okay? So the very first thing that we do with this is we get our pan out and we get to get started, we get our graham crackers on the bottom. Now remember, you need to keep this in the refrigerator after you make the layers and you put everything together for at least 6 to 8 hours so that everything can puff up and get soft. Your graham crackers are the crust, they're like the cake, but it's a refrigerator cake, so it needs to get the moisture so that when you go to cut it, you have a nice, beautiful, delicious cake, okay? All right, so that's really what this all is. So what I want you to do is watch our shorts now on this as I put it all together. Okay, so this is Peter Carpizos. Thanks for watching. We're approaching 1,800 subscribers. We should be there right now as I'm speaking. So thanks to everybody that subscribed, and we'll see you in the shorts as we put this refrigerator cake for summertime coolness together. This is Peter Carpizos out.